Okay. I do have my, we already did it up. I have my big hammer. If I were you guys, I'd stand back a bit.
Call Ace and watch it go down?
She probably would like to see it.
She's gonna be mad if you don't. Don't go too far, it's gonna go ahead. Don't. Just wait. Alright, well, don't go your head.
Use that to break it down?
It's still holding weight, so it's gonna. Whoa!
Oh, get the fuck out of there.
She doesn't like that. She doesn't care.
Can you hit this side out?
Get out,
Get out!
Get out!
Move!
Hey! So now, you take the chainsaw and just cut all this stuff off the bottom.
Did the
You can tip it back up at the playhouse.
Did the kitchen make it?
Yep. If you cut the bottom off of this, you just stand it back up at the
Put the
playhouse.
roof back on?
We're taking it down.
I see that. I'm glad you're documenting.
Poor Nessie. Maybe it'll fall in the direction of the shed and it won't hit anything but the shed and the shed will hold it up.
That would be miraculous.
That would be lovely and we wouldn't lose our power or anything. That would be great.
There it goes. There it goes.
Not quite. But she's a goner for sure. And the irony? The horseshoe.
I know.
Give it the toilet paper.
If I miss this thing falling down because of you.
I'm recording it. I'm pausing in between.
Wow, look at that. goes. There it goes. Down. Bam.
The lines. We still have electricity.
And we still have electricity.
And the fence is dead.
We lost a portion of our fence.
We still have electricity.
Yes, we do.
Holy crap.
Somebody lost something. Do we have phone?
Watch it. Watch it. Yeah, these things blow a hell of a pile of cones and shit. When it lands, it's gonna throw sticks and crap our way. Yeah. This way a little more than you want to do. Exactly where we want. In the wind. This is totally blowing it back onto the garage. And you should have a rope on it pulling it, I think. We don't have a rope. It's too reckless. Too big a hurry. I almost guarantee you that's going to blow back. Here we go. This is right up there with the worst ideas I've ever seen. There it goes. It's going right back on it. Tom! Tom! Aha, right on the garage. Tom, cut it over here! Thomas! This side! It's gonna go. Wait, stop! It's gonna go right on that barn. You better go get your thing and put it. Don't stop. Listen to me. Go get your truck. It's gonna go that way.
It's not. It's gonna fall right on that goddamn barn, Tom.
I know, David.
Well, you don't want it to stop then before you do that.
I wanted to tip this way, and I gotta do it now before it starts.
I think that's not gonna help. Don't cut that side. I think you should pull it with a rope. I think you should put that rope on there and pull it. Right on the barn.
Sorry, Franklin.
Damn it. Should have listened.
Good as new. Clean it up fast before he gets here. Start training it.